This tutorial is for anyone who loves drawing sea creatures. There's also a special dedication to the awesome teacher Mr. Van and the fabulous Year 2s at the British School Muscat in Oman. For your sea green turtle's body, you're going to press very lightly with a pencil and draw a squashed oval that's pointed at one end. A little way from it, you're going to draw a smaller oval, which will be the head, and join it to the body with two curved lines. Now curve outwards to make that large front flipper. And now part of the flipper that you can see behind the head. Curve the lines that go underneath the tummy and then join on the large back flipper. An oval for the eye. Now use heavier lines or even a pen to put in the details, carefully going over the lines you like and adding more detail. Here, the pointy, beaky mouth. For the flipper, really check the shape. Sometimes they have bumps and lumps on them. Use a photograph to help you. Keep checking the shapes as you go, making sure you're happy with how they look. Look at the fine details now. Here you can see the back leg from the other side. Now the oval for the eye. Slow this down, let's really look carefully. It's curved lines around the oval. Turtles have very big eyes that bulge out. Let's now put the pattern on the shell. Here, the lines along the edge. You can see the lines are at an angle. I'm showing you the angle with my pencil. That angle changes as the shell goes round to make it look more 3D. Now for the large shapes on the shell. Curve the lines as they go towards the edge. This makes it look more 3D. Here are some ideas about how to do the patterns on the turtle's skin. Each shape is different, so don't just draw them all looking the same. Take your time and make each shape unique. Some of them are large, some of them are small. You can see there are curved lines on the neck. On the flippers, there are areas where the shapes are curved. You can see these ones are curved on the edge to make the flipper look 3D. Grab your paper and pencil and let's have a go drawing this ghost crab. Pressing lightly with your pencil, start by drawing a square. This is the crab's body. Then, indicate where the eyes are. They're made of two sections, an oval on top of a rectangle. over the right bottom side of the square, you're going to draw a large front claw. This is mainly made up of curved lines. From the side of it, you're going to draw the first front leg. Now, crab's legs are made of segments, so you're going to have to draw the shape of each different segment. The other legs then peep out from behind. In between, you can see the back leg just peeping through. Over on the other side, we're going to draw the other large claw. This time, it's not going over the body. We can see where it joins on. Here, the enormous claw. And again, we can see little parts of the other legs peeping out. Using a darker pencil or a pen, we're going to add the details. If you look at a crab, it has a whole load of interesting patterns and shapes on the underside of its body. This is where all its different organs are. Using a mixture of curved lines and symmetry, we're going to add in those shapes. For the rectangles under the eyes, curve the lines so that they look 3D. Use a close-up picture of a ghost crab's underbelly to see the different shapes and patterns. When you're going over the legs, add this little spikes and details. The legs aren't smooth, they're full of spiky bits and jaggedy edges. This is the joint where the legs join on. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, or find the link below to my free online colouring. Or you can follow me on Instagram at Nash Henkel Art.